More. The lady that lives in my speakers, I think she's Asian.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
The view from up here it's amazing. Look at that stretch of beach. That's a house down there. But look at that stretch of beach. That road got really sketchy. Like, there was like parts that were washed out. Obviously he made it last. We ran into our new friend.
Hey, how
What's
you
her
doing,
name?
gang? Jim from San Diego. Well, actually Carlsbad, California, but I also live here in Cabo San Lucas in the marina. My president is destroying my country, so I packed it up and left down
Same
here.
with ours, bro.
Yeah.
Same. We don't have a president.
Our own country.
We got
we got a
autistic.
puppet. And Jill Biden, your wife, whatever you want to call her, she should be in prison.
Trump
for
forever,
child abuse.
Trump.
Oh, God, see,
Fucking Trump, bro. We love Trump.
You were asking about boat rentals?
Yeah, so he knows.
Oh yeah, I know a guy you want to talk to. His name's
yeah?
Fernando. He
Oh,
works
tell
in
me,
the
bro.
harbor because I live on the harbor. I
Yeah.
live right in
So
the
you
harbor.
know everybody.
Yeah, and so you'll want to talk to Fernando. What happens is they go, I can get you a boat, I can get you a boat. And they can, you're the owner. You charge me $150 an hour. I tell you, you're the customer, it's $300 an hour.
Yeah,
I
and you're
make
making points.
It's crazy. More
Yeah.
Making more than the owner.
Saying he's got a condo down here he paid 4 years ago 120 and 130 and now it's worth about 330. He said?
320.
How many square feet is it?
It's about 600-700 square feet. People buy them and they rent them out Airbnb as a hotel room. They get $140 a night.
Not bad. There you have it. You can get a condo down here, 700 square feet, one bed
And
for
the, and
$330
the property
US.
taxes are $100 a year.
This place is awesome. Apparently this thing's like a weather station. They study the weather. Your foot bag, your foot bag. Mine are stuck. What? You got it? It's blowing the sand off the cliff face in my face. Holy fuck. Alright, we're at this place called Mango Deck. We stopped for a beer. Show me that one. Bro, up. How the fuck you gonna get this? The swastika, bro. I know why you love drugs.
It's real.
He has a swastika on his chest. You're fucking crazy, bro. No, up one more. Up one more staircase. And more. So that dude with the swastika, I want some local spots, you know? And he's like, yeah, go to Burro Loco. He said they have good consomme and something else. The owner came out to meet us. He's somewhere here. Yeah, he's showing us everything right now. Felipe, and you own Burro Loco? Burro Loco.
Bienvenidos. So where can you see the video?
On YouTube. You'll see. I'll send it to you guys via email. You have an email?
Yes.
I'll email it to you. Give me your email. The soup is actually really good. I think this is like a chicken broth with like some tomatoes and veggies, but it's really good. I can't believe a guy with swastikas recommended this place. I think that's Tajín on the outside. This is strawberry margarita. I'm gonna let you know right now. Oh, it's good. You know that looks good. Whoa. Mine is fire. I don't know how yours is, but it's really good. Yeah, but this is the best place we've eaten so far.
You like it?
I love it.
Even the avocados, mate. So try this avocado.
Take my word for it, don't take my word for it. You can go to the tourist traps. Some are okay, like Gus Tacos and whatnot, but if you come here, like, this is good. Really good. Eat the eye right now.
The motherfucker.
Eat that fucking. And he eat again? Onions and garlic, yeah. He also said his barber tortured him as a kid and gave him too much onion. You said your barber made you eat onion?
Oh,
My mom?
Fuck that guy, bro.
We're in the middle of the desert and we found a circus. But check this out, not a single car in the parking lot. You ever been to some trippy shit? No, you haven't. Welcome to doing adventurous shit, and you're a white boy, but you're not a pussy. Gonna try to go on the sketchiest ride. All this shit looks kind of sketchy. It's all on top of sand, so we're gonna see if we can take our beers with us and not spill them. There's nobody here. It's a ghost town. It's like 8 p.m. Honestly, this would be a sick spot to take a date. Like, you'd be the most adventurous dude. We're gonna do this one too. We're doing the sketchiest shit, bro. We don't die here. I've already seen the future. We don't die here. These guys, they think they're gonna die, so I'm going alone. And they said we can take our beers. We can take our beers with us. It's already moving. Hold on, attention, 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 attention. No, wait, hey, whoa. Un momento. I dropped the beer already. I dropped the beer. Wait, I can pass it to my feet. I got it back. What was that? What is that? What is that noise? It went up my nose and shit. I don't even. Oh. I'm fucked. I love Mexico, bro. I'm upside down, I guess. Oh my god, more beer. Shit. It's outside this tattoo shop. Roads and tattoos. It's kind of hard to read that. And
Guys, I remember you from the Rio. How are you today?
What up, brother?
I remember you from the Rio. He's working the hotel. What are you guys doing?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing? Oh yeah, I see one.
You want one?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
3.
I will get it, man. Don't worry.
No, 3.
I can pay. Relax. Tranquilo. We're gonna have a beer with this guy. Our hombre's back. He's back with the beer. What up?
Welcome back, Vecina, mi amor. I love you, honey.
He loves you.
Boss.
Give it to him. For him, maybe him.
Oh, yes. Dice que te la tienes que... Oh, lady, favor. You're looking for a boyfriend?
Ah, Rico, suave.
Rico.
This is Rico.
All night morning, bro. Hot case.
Bro, he's definitely on the Black Panther. You know that Spanish fly?
Yeah.
You taking a Spanish fly? What up, man?
This is good weed, bro.
Oh, hey, try.
Yeah, you have a good weed?
Everybody says good weed.
Let's see it.
Where you from?
It's Canada, Toronto.
Toronto?
Yeah.
How is the life right there for people like you?
It's fucking cold. It's cold.
Right now, it's
A little
it's
bit.
snow.
A little bit. Maybe in 1 month. 1 month,
It's
there's
snow.
snow, yeah.
Wow.
And
So
then
very fucking cool.
February, March is no more snow.
So
It's
you need
finished.
to be like inside to the home
Sometimes, yeah.
because you can feel like a...
Yeah. On this episode of Show Me Your Things, take me inside. Show me everything. How much is it to get a tattoo out here?
The minimum price in tattoo is the $120 US.
120 US?
Yeah.
And you go by the hour, or how does it work?
Yes, so for hour of this,
Holy fuck.
this is like a paint
So there's painting here too?
for sale.
They got everything in here.
This is like my last paint.
Oh shit, that's kind of sick. Yeah, that's sick. What is this?
This is like convention tattoo, international, like a true place.
Wow.
Like
No
a
way.
concept.
And that's all in Baja or all Mexico?
All Mexico, bro.
This is another one of his paintings. Just show me things. Show me our things. Show me everything. But yeah, if you're coming down to Mexico, apparently these guys do pretty good tattoos. It's called Roads End Tattoos. He's one of the owners here. Show your tattoos and shit. He's got some. He did that himself. That one is no finish?
No.
Soon?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's sick. He did it all on his own arm. I can't even draw. This guy's out here tattooing his own arm. This is one of the Rio Cabo pool parties. We stayed at the Rio Cabo. It's a good hotel. I think it kind of hits all the boxes, whether you're families or you're a nightlife party goer. It's got it all. They bring random DJs into this pool party area. Like one of the nights we were there, Steve Aoki was there. It's at no extra cost. It was included in our all-inclusive pass, like 5 to 10 minutes to the marina. There's a lot of great bars around there too. Like you should find out what's going on every night and then check it all out. Like don't just stick to the resort. I recommend in all my videos that you get out there and see the place. But overall, bang
for buck. It's a good place. If you're debating hotels, I would say you can't go wrong with this one.
Very fucking cool.
So we negotiated one of these little water taxis. You can get them right off the beach. At like 30 bucks a person, we got them down to 15 US. Because they take you over to the island, they drop you off, and they tell you when you're ready, you can leave. Driver is drunk. He's crushing tequila right now. No wonder the boat's not even going fucking straight. The guy's wasted. The boat's going in zigzags, bro.
What's yours name? Francisco.
We got these other passengers in the front. They're petrified. They're fucking scared out of their minds that he's wasted.
Yeah. No. These are my fish over there.
Oh, the fish. Oh. Yeah. I'll fucking grab one right now. I'll fucking grab one.
Lovers Beach.
Yeah, us.
Take us, please.
Okay. Yeah, you come too, yeah.
You come too.
Yeah. Bang. Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Ese bonito. Is it the Canelo Alvarez?
Yeah, that's me.
Canelo.
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 He's a tough guy.
Show me your Manny Pacquiao right here.
Yeah, Manny Pacquiao. Canelo and Manny Pacquiao. Saying that's the Pacific window. You don't want one? It's your only chance.
I don't want.
1, 2, 3. Tequila. Más tequila, más tequila.
Más tequila. It's the tequila. This is like the famous spot, this cove. It's really nice, to be honest. The water is crystal clear.
Hey.
Yeah, oh, papi. So basically there's these guys on the beach that they'll put this thing up, and if you pay them like 60 bucks, they'll show you his dick behind that. This one's more rough, so it's supposed to be Divorce Beach, and over there is like Lovers Beach. And at the end of the other side of this is called Land's End. This is pretty crazy. And it doesn't look that sunny, because it's called like a coastal overcast, but it's pretty hot. You ready, Martine? Yeah. Yo, it pulls you like crazy. Holy shit. Whoa, it don't really suck you in, bro. Holy shit. It's strong. I know you only came in here because you had to piss. Yeah.
Not yet.
If you guys are worried about safety, some people are saying that in Cancun it's not as safe as Cabo. Can get why? Because there's like dozens of cops down here, National Guard. Honestly, I felt safe in both areas, but I think that I'm open to a little more adventure than most people. If you're in this main strip here, like the town or whatever, you're not gonna run into any issues. Obviously, the people, like, they want to sell you stuff, whatever, but they're not out to do you harm. You know, they're just making a buck.
Getting so drunk and jumping over that and not making it.
An Azimuth 38. What do they want for the day for this? 2,000 for the day? 2,000 US for the day. So I know some people like to come down here and charter the boats. I hope this gives you a good idea. Like, we're really haggling them. We've been down here for an hour fighting with these guys. We gave one of the guys one of those gas station penis pills, but he's just rock hard. He's got the hardest horn right now, just following us around. Right here.
Can't try it.
That's the guy there. I don't think he wants people knowing his pee-pee's rock solid at the moment. Say what's up. Yeah, he told me he has 2 girlfriends in Canada. I'm gonna show them now.
Nice ladies, beautiful heart.
Let's make a deal.
Hey, let's make a deal. No, I want to pay $6.50 an hour. I pay $6.50 an hour. $2.50.